Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can draw a straight line in WPS Office application. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a document in WPS Office application, and for example, I'm going to draw a straight line in this document. If we want to add straight line, we have to go to the insert, and then we're going to choose the shapes. And we're going to choose this one guys, this shape, the line, and then you can tap and hold on your mouse or your touchpad and draw the line just like this. Oops. And then we can customize the height of the line. I'm just going to make it thicker, so I'm going to choose this one. You can also change the color of the line. I'm going to select black. Okay, now it's done guys, and as you can see that the straight line has been added to my document. Alright guys, and that's all the way to draw a straight line in WPS Office application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.